Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this is the 2024 Rolls Royce Spectre Coupe, which should be coming out later this year. This is the first electric Rolls Royce, and it was engineered from client feedback in over 1.5 million miles of testing and contains over 4 miles of electrical wiring. Now, Rolls-Royce intends to go all electric by 2030 as they feel it aligns with the brand values to make the cars as quiet as possible and remove any potential fumes from the car. The Spectre is at the start of that in what the company considers to be Rolls-Royce 3.0. The Spectre is based on the same aluminum frame as the Phantom and Cullinan, but features additional aluminum reinforcements to increase chassis stiffness by 30%. Now, with the introduction of this luxury coupe comes a ton of new features like the redesigned Pantheon front grille that is the largest of any Rolls-Royce, the redesigned Spirit of Ecstasy to reduce aerodynamic drag and highlight the robes of the figure that are often confused for wings. It also features massive 23-inch wheels, which are also the largest of any Rolls-Royce, and the introduction of the starlight doors with 4,796 perforations to go with your starlight headliner. The body features minimal lines and some of the largest panels ever equipped on a Rolls-Royce to provide clean body lines, but also make this the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever with a drag coefficient of 0.25. This particular car is finished in what appears to be anthracite or gunmetal and features the Cannondale wood paneling. The interior features a variety of physical buttons despite switching to a full digital dash, large speakers for a bespoke sound system, and virtually every panel is customizable. Power comes from 2 electric motors, which there's one on each axle, and they produce a combined 577 horsepower that could be subject to change, and 664 pound-feet of torque, sending power to all 4 wheels. This luxury coupe weighs a whopping 6,559 pounds, which makes it heavier than the Rolls-Royce Cullinan SUV, and a lot of that comes from the fact that the battery pack weighs around 1,500 pounds. Now, the Spectre still manages to achieve 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, with a top speed limited to 155 miles per hour and an EPA estimated 310 miles of range, which Rolls-Royce says that their focus was not a high range as most of their clients have other cars or private jets for long travel. The Spectre should be coming starting late 2023 with the prices somewhere in the neighborhood of around $400,000. With that, that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys go ahead and hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.